Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. I'm back. Sautéed garlic ginger string bean. Easy to make, under 30 minutes. Healthy, fun to eat. Delicious. Let's go. I show you. I went to Kroger today. Found this green bean. This is a 2 pounds bag. Beautiful dark green. I'm just gonna use maybe 1 pound. And save the other half bag for next time. Look at how beautiful. And here I have some garlic, 2 cloves garlic. We're just gonna mince it. Roughly chopped. This is good. And here I like to use fresh ginger. I just brush it really nice and clean, okay? And then just keep it with the skin on it. Thinly slice first. And then we're gonna julienne cut it. Ginger and garlic, really good for you. At home, when you cook, I like to put some fresh herb. First, we are going to blanch or steam the string bean, because the string bean is kind of crispy and tough right now. Okay, you need to soften the green bean a little. And I add a pinch of salt. And the salt will even out when the water bring up to a boil. It will increase the boiling temperature by 3 to 5%. And also it will boil everything evenly. So we want to take about 6 to 8 minutes to soften the string bean. The string bean is boiling happily. You can put a lid to cover up or without it. It's no big deal. Cooking is just fun. Make it simple. And how to determine the bean is ready? Just take one out and split it open and see it's still tough or it's tender enough. I like my green bean a little bit crunchy side. Okay, if you want to like nice and soften, really soft, cook longer. Right? I think a couple more minutes will be good. Some recipes say 3 to 4 minutes, unless the baby, little tiny string bean. Otherwise, it's gonna take longer. Okay, I'm gonna take one out. Yeah, softened it already. That's good. And remember, you still have to cook it, saute it, stir fry it, so even soften more, okay? Now I'm going to drain it out. When I drain it out, I save little water underneath in case I need it. Alright, you can use butter, cooking oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, coconut oils. I use extra virgin olive oil. See, very simple. Your frying pan is nice and warm, medium high heat. Ooh, ginger and garlic. This is something you must cook at home because the ginger garlic is healthy. Sometimes the restaurant will skip this. Now you say, oh my God, smell amazing. Now you put the bean in. Toss it. Sometimes I like to smash the beans. I'll show you how to do it. Use a metal, and then just like smash it, like this. Okay, smash the beans. make a smashed green bean, but today I don't want it. I want it crunchy. Now, the green bean is coating with this beautiful ginger and garlic, and then we're gonna just add a pinch of salt to your taste, okay? Not much, like that. We built flavor, and black pepper. Now, some people like to add soy sauce. Will be a good choice too, because the soy sauce created a different kind of flavor. That means by saying if you add soy sauce, don't add too much salt, right? Because they're both sodium. What I mean by, you see, it kind of like caramelized, burn a little bit, give you a better flavor, better taste. Now, we gotta finish it with drizzle a little bit of the sesame oil. Like this, not much. Beautiful. I gotta turn on the fan before they go beep, 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 beep. It'll scare my dog. Okay. The green bean is done. Here is your sauteed garlic ginger string bean. Look at this. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Tom. I'll see you next time. Bye. 再见. Yummy. Look at that.